In our previous video, we posed a tricky question. Which medication may increase the risk of muscle cramps in older adults? And the correct answer is diuretics cause loss of water and electrolytes, especially potassium and magnesium, making muscles more prone to cramping. Older adults taking them for high blood pressure or heart failure should be extra cautious. Have you ever wondered how hard your kidneys are working behind the scenes to keep you alive and well? Every day, your kidneys filter nearly 50 gallons of blood, remove waste, balance fluids, regulate blood pressure, and even help produce red blood cells. But here's the scary truth. Most people don't realize something's wrong with their kidneys until it's too late. Today, you'll take on a 35-question challenge covering everything from basic anatomy to early warning signs, silent causes, prevention tips, and what you can start doing right now to protect your kidneys. Are you ready? Let's begin now. Where are the kidneys located in the human body? The kidneys are located in the back of the abdominal cavity, on either side of the spine just below the rib cage. Their hidden position makes kidney damage hard to detect early. What is the main function of the kidneys? Every day, the kidneys filter about 180 liters of blood, removing toxins and excess fluid to produce urine. It's a vital role in keeping the body clean and balanced. How many kidneys does a typical person have? Can you guess it? Leave your answer in the comments. We'll reveal it in the next video. Which hormone is produced by the kidneys? The kidneys produce erythropoietin, a hormone that stimulates the bone marrow to produce red blood cells. When kidneys fail, anemia often occurs. How do the kidneys help regulate blood pressure? The kidneys release renin, a hormone that helps control blood pressure by regulating blood vessel constriction. That's why kidney disease often leads to hypertension. Which electrolytes are regulated by the kidneys? The kidneys regulate potassium and sodium levels, electrolytes, essential for heart rhythm and cell function. Imbalance can be life-threatening. How do the kidneys help the body maintain a stable pH level? The kidneys help maintain blood pH tilde 7.4 by removing hydrogen ions and conserving bicarbonate, keeping the internal environment balanced. Which of the following may be an early sign of kidney disease? Frequent nighttime urination may indicate the kidneys are not concentrating urine properly, a subtle early warning sign. Which condition may occur when the kidneys are damaged? Weakened kidneys may cause fluid retention, leading to swelling, especially in the feet, ankles, and eyelids. What urine change can signal kidney disease? Foamy, dark urine may indicate excess protein, a common sign of kidney damage. What psychological symptom may appear in kidney failure? Toxin buildup in the blood can affect the brain, causing confusion, fatigue, and even depression. Widespread itching in older adults may be linked to In chronic kidney disease, waste buildup in the blood can cause persistent itching not relieved by allergy medications. What taste might a person with advanced kidney disease experience? A metallic or bitter taste is a classic symptom of uremia when waste products affect taste nerves. What might persistent unexplained anemia indicate? Failing kidneys produce less erythropoietin, the hormone that triggers red blood cell production, leading to stubborn anemia. What is the leading cause of chronic kidney failure today? High blood sugar damages the tiny blood vessels in the kidneys, gradually impairing filtration, a primary cause of chronic kidney failure. How does high blood pressure affect the kidneys? Persistent high blood pressure puts stress on kidney blood vessels, leading to damage and reduced filtering ability, a silent but serious threat. Which habit increases the risk of kidney stones? Low fluid intake leads to concentrated urine, promoting mineral crystallization and stone formation, a preventable risk. Which medication can harm the kidneys if used long-term? NSAIDs reduce blood flow to the kidneys and may damage filtration cells when used frequently, especially in older adults. Which disease significantly increases the risk of end-stage kidney failure? Lupus is an autoimmune disease that can attack the kidneys. Nearly 50% of lupus patients develop kidney complications. Which habit increases the risk of kidney damage? Some unregulated supplements contain heavy metals or toxins that can silently damage kidney tissue over time. Which often overlooked factor can increase kidney disease risk? Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, which can elevate blood pressure and blood sugar, key contributors to kidney damage. Which habit helps reduce the risk of kidney failure? Staying well hydrated supports kidney filtration and prevents toxin buildup and kidney stones, a simple yet powerful preventive measure. Which dietary practice helps protect the kidneys? High salt and processed foods raise blood pressure, damaging kidneys over time. Reducing sodium is key to prevention. How does physical activity benefit kidney health? Light exercise boosts circulation and helps regulate blood pressure and blood sugar, two key factors in kidney protection. What can regular checkups help detect early? Simple blood and urine tests can detect kidney issues early, before symptoms appear, allowing timely and effective intervention. What should people with diabetes or hypertension do to prevent kidney disease? Tightly managing blood sugar and pressure reduces stress on the kidneys and slows damage. This is priority number 1 prevention. Why should people avoid long-term, unsupervised use of antibiotics or painkillers? Many antibiotics and painkillers are nephrotoxic when misused. Kidney damage is often silent and irreversible. Which beverage is best for kidney health? Plain water supports kidney filtration, prevents toxin buildup and kidney stones. It's the simplest and most powerful kidney protector. Which food should be limited to protect the kidneys? Red meat and processed foods are high in animal protein, salt, and preservatives, all of which burden the kidneys over time. Which fruit is beneficial for those protecting kidney health? Watermelon is hydrating and helps flush toxins. It's especially helpful in summer, but should be eaten in moderation if potassium needs to be controlled. Which seasoning can be used instead of salt to ease the burden on kidneys? Herbs, lemon, and pepper enhance flavor without adding sodium, helping to control blood pressure and protect the kidneys. How should seniors manage potassium intake? For those with kidney issues, high potassium can trigger dangerous arrhythmias. Diet must be tailored and monitored under medical guidance. How does smoking affect kidney health? Smoking damages small blood vessels, including those feeding the kidneys, raising the risk of kidney failure and cardiovascular disease. Which habit should be avoided to protect long-term kidney function? Unsupervised medication use, especially antibiotics or unknown supplements, can silently damage the kidneys. What is the simplest thing anyone can do today to protect their kidneys? Drinking enough water and scheduling regular checkups helps detect kidney damage early, especially for those over 60. Protecting your kidneys is protecting your life. Congratulations, you've completed the quiz. Here are your results. What's your level? Drop it in the comments below. You just spent a few minutes investing in your health by learning about one of the most underrated organs in your body, your kidneys. No matter how many answers you got right, what truly matters is this: you're taking charge of your health, and that's powerful. Healthy kidneys support a strong heart. Healthy kidneys keep your mind clear, and above all, your kidneys quietly protect your life every single day. Let us know your score in the comments, and don't forget to share this video with a friend or loved one over 60. Because sometimes, one small share can protect one big life.